What's up, you guys? Today I just wanted to show you that I guess when you're mining, your computer obviously gets hot and it sucks a ton of power. And I burnt all of these adapters and even this socket, so I went to Home Depot and got another one so I can replace that. But yeah, it gets pretty hot. And then yeah, I burnt that, and you can see burn marks on all of those. And then of course, this still works. This is my little meter, so it can tell me how much power it's sucking, but that melted too. Then I also have a power strip that it melted, one of the holes on it. So I guess I'm just saying, make sure that you're careful with the stuff that you use, all the adapters and everything. Make sure it is very heat resistant, because this potentially could have resulted in a fire of some kind, especially if you're, not going to be always around your miner. That's something you definitely want to watch, because it is a very real possibility, that it could start a fire. So just want to show that. Also, Bitcoin's been having kind of a rough time this past week or so. It's mostly been because Facebook had, they got everybody excited about their coin that they were doing. And then I think they pulled the plug on it, actually. I'm pretty sure they decided not to do that. Also, Donald Trump himself said something about Bitcoin that is fake and everything. Stuff that investors have been saying for a long time. But I'm confident it will pop back up here in the next few weeks or months. And I'll be making more videos. But thanks for watching this one, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for future videos, and hit the like. If you liked it, it helps me out too. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.